Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve GATE sample question 2020-22. Consider the following system of equation: 2x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 0, x2 minus x3 is equal to 0, x1 plus x2 is equal to 0 has 4 options are given. So this is the question in the house of linear algebra. So at first this equations tells us this is a homogeneous system. Okay, now matrix is here just like this: 1 1 0 0 1 minus 1 2 1 1. Okay, now calculate the determinant is equal to 2 a, that is 1 minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. So if the determinant is 0, then we may say this is the non-trivial solution occurred here. Non-trivial solution occurred. Okay, so it means that it it is infinite number of solution here. Infinite number of solution. So we reached, it is our required solution. So infinite number of solution. Option 3 is our correct choice. So this is the whole solution of question 15. Now moving to question 16. So question 16 tells us that is, if A n cross n matrix is rank is n, then adjoint of A is equal to what? 4 options are given. So here is a concept in this question. Let's clear at first this. If A matrix is A here and adjoint of this matrix is adjoint A, let's calculate. So at first, if rank of the matrix is n here, then adjoint of the matrix obviously n. If rank of the matrix is n minus 1, then adjoint of the matrix is 1. If rank of the matrix is less than n minus 1, in that case adjoint is 0. So it is a very useful concept. Now applying this concept in this problem. So here P missed. So P A n cross n matrix, a rank is n, then its adjoint, of A obviously n. So we reached, it is our required solution, and our correct option is option A is our correct choice. So this is the whole solution of question 16. Now moving to question 17. So question 17 tells us, let A, B, C, D and B n cross n matrices, each with non-zero determinant A, B, C, D is equal to 1. Then B inverse is equal to what? Okay. So this is also a GATE sample question, and it is a question of linear algebra. So here given A dot B dot C dot D is equal to I is given here. So first we eliminate A. So left multiplication by A inverse in both sides. So if left multiplication, then A inverse A, B into C into D, that is equal to A inverse I. Now this one is also cancelled as it is I. So it is B, C, D, and it is only A inverse. Now cancelling D. So it is B, C, D, D inverse multiplication. So A inverse and D inverse. Now B, C and this one cancelled. So this one become A inverse, right side, D inverse. Now we cancelling C. So multiplication with C inverse. Now C inverse, that is equal to A inverse, D inverse, C inverse. B into this one is equal to I. So also it is A inverse, D inverse, C inverse. So that is equal to B is equal to A inverse, D inverse, C inverse. Now making B inverse. So B inverse is equal to what? A inverse, D inverse, C inverse, and it is whole inverse. Now this one is equal to C inverse, D inverse, A inverse. So C, D, A. So it is, we should calculate the value of B inverse. So this is our required solution and our correct option is C, D, A. Option B is our correct choice. So these are the 3 solutions. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. And finally, it's a humble request that those who watching my videos hit the like button so that more and more student may facilitate. Okay, thanks a lot.